Beautified is the life of this world for those who disbelieve, and they ridicule those who believe. But the righteous will be above them on the day of resurrection. Allah provides to whomever He wills without measure. The parable of what they spend in this worldly life is that of a frosty wind that strikes the harvest of a people who have wronged their souls, and destroys it. Allah did not wrong them, but they wronged their own selves. The likeness of the present life is this: water that we send down from the sky is absorbed by the plants of the earth, from which the people and the animals eat. Until, when the earth puts on its fine appearance, and is beautified, and its inhabitants think that they have mastered it, our command descends upon it by night or by day, and we turn it into stubble, as if it had not flourished the day before. We thus clarify the revelations for people who reflect. Whatever thing you are given is but the material of this world, and its glitter. But what is with Allah is better, and longer lasting. Do you not comprehend? The life of this world is nothing but diversion and play, and the home of the hereafter is the life, if they only knew. Allah created you from dust, then from a small drop, then He made you pairs. No female conceives, or delivers, except with His knowledge. No living thing advances in years, or its life is shortened, except it be in a record. That is surely easy for Allah. O my people, the life of this world is nothing but fleeting enjoyment, but the hereafter is the home of permanence. The life of this world is nothing but play and pastime. But if you have faith and lead a righteous life, He will grant you your rewards, and He will not ask you for your possessions. Know that the worldly life is only play, and distraction, and glitter, and boasting among you, and rivalry in wealth and children. It is like a rainfall that produces plants, and delights the disbelievers. But then it withers, and you see it yellowing, and then it becomes debris. While in the hereafter there is severe agony, and forgiveness from Allah, and acceptance. The life of this world is nothing but enjoyment of vanity.